Hello friends, welcome to Weathercast. I'm just going to give a weather outlook for Maharashtra and Mumbai for this week. So what is expected between June 16th to 19th? This is unofficial updates. Please follow IMD for all official updates. Alright, so monsoon has covered entire Maharashtra and we are already experiencing monsoonal type rains. Um, for Bombay, although monsoon made a late onset and the monsoon types rains were missing, but it was a soft onset and starting now, rains will pick up. So let us just take a quick look at what is expected this week. So if you look at the IMD model, then it is expecting good rains over Maharashtra. And the reason is because there is a upper air circulation over Arabian Sea which is going to push the cloud bands in conjunction or with the help of these westerly winds. The cloud bands would be pushed in, and that will give good rains to coastal Konkan, especially North Konkan, and also some interior places will also receive some moderate rainfall. So starting tonight, the rainfall intensity will increase, where the rainfall will be moderate most of the times on and off. And tomorrow it's going to pick up. So tomorrow afternoon onwards, especially the coastal belt, which is starting from Palghar all the way to Bombay or slightly down Alibag, there is going to be a slight vortex formation or the offshore vortex, and that vortex is going to give some heavy rains on 16th and 17th. That is what is my analysis. Obviously, these cloud bands are going to get pushed in, and the Ghat sections will also receive some heavy rains. Places like Pune, Nashik will get some moderate rains. The reason is because the Ghat sections will kind of take away the moisture, but they will still dump some moderate rains. And if you come further interior, which is Marathwada and Vidarbha, those regions will also get some moderate rains because the Bay of Bengal branch is also active. There is also a active circulation in near Bay of Bengal, which is straddling the land. So that will also give some. So the convergence of these two branches will give moderate rains to central India or central Maharashtra. So southwest Maharashtra will also get some moderate to heavy rains. All right. So if I want to put a quantum of rains, then 16th and 17th it will be heavy. We can expect 100 mm for Bombay and suburbs. And Pune and Nashik will get moderate 50-60 mm. Central India or Marathwada Vidarbha also around the same. And southwest Maharashtra will get around 70 mm or so rainfall. And that trend is expected to continue until 18th or 19th, where this offshore vortex and the UAC is active, and that will keep the rainfall activity pretty much. Uh, it will continue over coastal place, especially Bombay. Next 3 days are very interesting, and we will get some heavy rains. Total rains will be of the order of 150 to 300 mm within a span of 3 days. But tomorrow afternoon, which is 16th to 17th, is when I'm expecting some heavy to very heavy rains. So let us keep a watch on that. And there could be some waterlogging expected for Bombay and suburbs. So this is not something unusual. So please be prepared. All right, so that was a quick update. And if I look at the GFS model, that is also in line where we are seeing this offshore vortex, and that may give some heavy rains to Bombay and moderate rains to Pune, Nashik, and Marathwada, Vidarbha, and southwest Maharashtra. Madhya Maharashtra will also get some moderate rains. So overall, for Maharashtra, this coming week is looking very good. So that's the update for now. I will come back with more updates later. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.